Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cookwithsam and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious shawarma. So let's get started. But before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. So firstly, we're going to start with our spices. So firstly, add pepper powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, paprika 1 tablespoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, and last but not least, salt 1 tablespoon. Now you're going to add a half cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now you're going to take some freshly cut chicken and you're going to marinate it with the spice mixture. And now you're going to need a pot and a potato with the bottom cut. Now you're going to take some foil and wrap the potato in the foil. Now place it in the pot. And poke the potato with some skewers. And now you're going to take your marinated chicken slices and poke it through the skewers. Do this until it reaches the top. After you reach the top, you're going to take an onion and poke it through the skewers. Now you're going to take a baking pan and line it with some foil. Next, take your pot and place it on top. And now you're going to place it in a 250-degree preheated oven for 45 minutes. And this is how it should look after you take it out of the oven. Now take a knife and slowly and carefully start cutting through the chicken. Now take a tortilla and spread some mayonnaise. Next, add your chicken, some pickle, tomato, onion, French fries, and lettuce. By the way, if you want to know how to make these tortillas from scratch, you can go ahead and watch my enchiladas video. Now slowly start rolling it and wrap it with some baking paper. And repeat this process to as many tortillas as you would like. Alright, so that was today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!